Hi, today I've been making a headdress out of these long things that I found in my garden. They're really quite long and sturdy feeling, and I think it's a weed of some sort, but I think it's beautiful as well. So I've made a plaited headdress like this, and I've decorated it with some flowers of different kinds, and I'm going to show you how I did it. I'm going to choose 3 long ones here. And all I'm going to do is tie them together at the end just to hold them together, and then just literally start plaiting it and adding some flowers as I go along. So like this. Another one. So now I'm kind of running out of the long ones, so I'm going to add some more so I can keep going. So I'm just literally going to add them inside here as I go along. So it's got quite long now, the garland, and I actually really love it. It's really beautiful. So I'm just going to measure it to the right length, and then I'm just going to tie it together with some ribbon there. This is how wide I need it for my head. I'm literally just going to take my ribbon and just fix it together like this. So this is what it looks like now. I've tied it so all the long bits go down the back here, and I've actually decided I'm going to add a little bit of glitter. Got my glitter here. I'm just going to drizzle some on and just see. It's just going to sit on there. It might not stay on, but just thought it would go really well with the yellow theme of this one. So this is what this one looks like on. I actually think it's so cute. It's really simple. And from the back you can see the long bits going down. Well, you can't really see them, but it does look really good from the back as well. And you can see a bit of the glitter and everything. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this one. I actually love it. I think it's my favourite. Hi guys, today I'll be making a headdress out of feathers. I got a bush with this kind of shaped leaves on, and I thought they look like feathers, so I'm going to try and make a headdress out of them with just some ribbon and these guys. So let's get going and see how we get on. So I've cut some leaves off here, and they're literally just the leaves separated. And now I'm going to make some holes in them with my single hole punch. This is a brilliant tool. I've used this for so many things. So if you're going to do lots of crafts, I would really recommend getting one of these. It's really inexpensive. It costs like £1 or something. So anyway, I got my leaves. I'm going to bunch them up like 3 or so. And then I'm going to just make a hole kind of towards the middle here. Turn it around and make another one just the other side of the stalk, like this. See, and then I'll be threading them through those holes in a second. So I'm just going to get all of these done first, then we're going to thread them. And I've got a piece of ribbon that's long enough, plenty long, to go around my head. And now it's going to be the fun part if it works. I'm going to take the leaves and I'm going to overlap like so. I'm going to take the ribbon and go in from the back here. And now I'm going to take the next one, put it on top, and then come back in with the ribbon here through the hole so it will hold them together. Take the leaf and put on top, And then I just take the ribbon, put through, and then the next leaf, and then come up through here, and then the next leaf, and down again. So this is what it looks like now. I actually really like it, but I thought I would like some more colour, so I found this lavender in my garden. It's time for lavender at the moment, and I'm just going to see if it's going to look a little bit more colourful. Just going to push them in here, literally just to add a little bit of colour. Looks pretty. So that's the headdress finished. I've got it right here. Just show you. There we go. I'm just going to try it on. Just like this. That should take no more than about 5-10 minutes to make. So I'm going to make a 2-minute headdress with my roses. I'll cut them close to the rose, and I'm going to thread them onto a bit of wire. That's it. So this is it, the headdress, and it took 2 minutes to make. It's just a quick idea of something you can make really quickly and easily if you have lots of roses. Thank you for stopping by. I'm glad you found my channel, and I hope you like my videos.